So hello everyone and welcome to our Sprint 1 demo project. So I'll be walking you through the Trello board which we have used to manage your tasks, user stories and also sprint planning. The first comes the product backlog. So here we started with the product backlog where we created high level user stories based on the project requirements. There are actually three user stories that we have created. The first one is had a header with logo. So it was just focusing the improvisation of the website's branding and also visual layout. So the second user stories include secure Git repository. So it is a cybersecurity related task which ensures our code whether it is safe and also private. The third user story tells us show unit details to students. This story aims to make key academic information which has been visible and also accessible on the site. So here, each of these stories was further broken down into smaller actions and also been assigned into appropriate story points and given to each of them to get participated. So here, in the sprint backlog, we have pulled relevant items from the product backlog for the sprint one. So these are the tasks that has been committed to be completed within the given time. So here some of the examples include write paragraph about unit content and also the style the unit info table. So here each task is being assigned to a group member. For example, there are two members in our group. So each of the tasks has been assigned separately so that it has been completed on time. So by working in group, it actually helped us estimate the work fairly and also plan a sprint in an efficient manner. So next it comes the in progress. So we move the task into in progress column as we started working on them. For example, so review commit history for sensitive files. So it actually supports a cybersecurity user story that has been shown here, making sure no private or sensitive data is committed. And also in progress, we can we just help the team to track who's actively working on the task. The final one is done column. So all the completed tasks are being moved to the done list. Some example includes add deacon logo to the header, create header section in HTML, create table with unit chair and unit here, style header using CSS, add git ignore file to repository, and also add git safety notes to readme. So this shows strong progress in the front end and also UX development and also some git configuration work for version control. So in the story point distribution, so we have also tracked story point balance so far. So that is, it has been divided into two parts. That is, one person has to take the front end and also the team leader part, and the other person has been concentrated on the UI UX part, and the story point is being divided into each of it. So next is about the reflections. So using Trello, we made a planning visual and also collaborative. We could see clearly what has been needed, what was in the progress, and also what was done. It actually allowed us to have better standards. So yeah, because everyone could check into Trello for their updates and also blockers. For the security purpose, so we related this task to Git commit history and Git ignore, ensuring the sensitive files don't get pushed. And also, we're also making the front end responsive and user friendly so that the focus remains the same. So this is all about our Trello board. Thank you.